go and back it up. So do that a couple times, prime it, and then start that fucker up. I want to hear. What I would do though is I would pop the this first, just in case we can get through anything to put a fire out if we have to.
Oh yeah, do we need the hose ready?
No, baby, I'm not gonna do it like that.
Alright.
Motherfucker started ready to go. Let's do it. Well, that's not right.
What? Whoa!
What is that?
What?
That's not right.
Yeah,
What is that?
that's for the easy air rub.
It's supposed to look like that?
What?
This is supposed to look just like that?
Yeah. It's so weird.
Oh, it is weird.
No, yeah, I know it looks like a hole, right?
Yeah.
And it's like, fuck that.
Oh! I thought you just stuck a pipe down in there.
Yeah, this I'm sitting here, check this out, dude, the whole time. I think I showed you this, I was like, I did. Yeah, it goes right in. It's pressurized. This fucking shit doesn't matter. I was like, wow. I was like, I was tripping for no reason, as long as that's pressurized for the
This
injector.
crack right here doesn't matter?
No, they're getting fuel.
That's a crack.
What? Right,
Oh yeah, the crimp.
That's a crimp, it's not a crack.
It is deep though. So
Oh, it's
turn
deep.
over it.
It's deep. It's aluminum though, so what happened was it stretched.
Spray that, or start it, let's go.
I'm scared to.
Let me start it. Why?
I'm scared.
Push the fucker and let's go for it.
I'm scared.
You just built this bitch, now stand up and fucking accept it. This is where you can either stay and go back in and cry, oh, you know, baby, baby, baby. Or you can say, look at that bad motherfucker, I just built this bitch. Now start the fucker and let's get it moving. You worked your ass off for this.
Cold.
I'm cold too. It is cold. You know what it was like to have running through its veins? Fucking heat.
No, it's actually cold. Cold, man.
I know.
My body kind of hurts.
Huh?
My body kind of hurts.
Your body. Man, I'm gonna go home and start my fucking bike tomorrow morning. I'm gonna shit if I'm crying.
Do you know what that brown stuff is?
What about stuff? Oh, shit. Oh,
Oh no, it's truck grease. Oh
no.
man,
Shit.
that dog shit.
Drug or something.
I'm gonna go back.
Did she just step in it?
Did you step in it?
Yeah.
God damn it, barefoot.
Nasty.
I don't want to do it. I'm so scared. Go back on the floor up first. In case we gotta fucking hightail this bitch backwards. Get her in that fucking dumpster spot and let her burn.
No. Do you have a shovel? I hate to do this to you. Do you have a shovel?
Not like that.
Just like that. If it catches on fire, you're gonna smother it. We'll take a pressure washer.
I
and
still
pressure
don't have
wash.
room. I want to burn my house down.
You shut up.
Fuck off. Start the car and listen to it again.
I heard it. I heard it.
You're a bitch. What's up, bitch? You smoke a cart. You remember that? So this thing I was gonna smoke a fucking cart.
Okay. Yeah.
Do it, this fucker. Do it. You ready?
Wait, no, not yet. No.
Come on, man.
What's up, bitch? Nigga, let's go smoke a fucking cart. This nigga's gonna smoke a fucking cart. Come on. He's upstairs to do anything with it.
Come on. I'm cold. I want to see it run.
What am I supposed to do?
With key in it, turn the fucker up.
What am I supposed to do?
Shut up. I
So
got you.
how do
I
I
got
do
you.
this?
I'll watch you.
How do I do this?
Start the fucker up.
How do I do it?
What do you mean?
Scary, man. Scary shit, man.
I just look at something my son fucking created here, and you're gonna be afraid of it?
Yeah!
You bragged about it the entire time you put it together.
Still scared, nigga.
It's good to be scared, but get past that fear now because this is where you become a man, dude. You just built a fucking motor.
Make sure it ain't leaking. Leaking?
No, but I see a hose hanging.
Oh, don't worry about that.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just that's overflow.
Okay. That's a way down overflow. Are you sure?
Ain't nothing. Yeah, it's just hanging on the bottom.
Okay. I'm watching. Go ahead. Just bump it a couple times. Then we'll.
Hey.
Yep.
Joy.
Yeah.
See, everybody counts, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Turn it over. You can't really hear it running because
Hold on.
it's so loud.
Get out of the way. Watch out. Something wrong with the throttle. Throttle's stuck full down. Pedal in there stuck all the way down. What? Come over here.
What do you think? You haven't
The throttle cable fucking fell off. So it's rammed out, baby.
That's the way you started.
That is not okay. I go start this thing for me.
I put 12,000 miles on it in 2 seconds.
No, it's not okay. It's not good. Step
And
back.
then after that, you leave it running?
No, step back for a second. That clutch down, make sure it's out of gear. Play with the clutch, you got jimmy it. Give me your cup.
Oh, do the jingle?
Whoa, hold on, baby, stay. Thing smells like burnt fucking oil.
That's what that is.
Good God.
Did you hear how those pipes sounded?
Brother, it ain't turning into nothing.
Daddy,
Huh? It ain't doing nothing.
I said play with the clutch
I told you I'm playing.
and play with the key. You gotta play with the key. Look, Dad. There you go. Now back it up. Do it again. Back it up. Do it again.
I'll do it.
You gotta mess with it. It's the starter. It's been like that. I rewired it, and ever since I bought the truck, it fucks with me. All right, watch out. Watch out. Watch out, bro. Damn it, bro. I can't believe that throttle cable slipped off like this. It's not cool, man.
No, it's okay.
Okay, hold on. Look at that. My truck right now is set up for sabotage
Why?
because my throttle pedal is all the way down. It's flat. That's a problem. So that means I'm gonna issue somewhere else. And that means every time I start it, it's gonna fucking redline. It's gonna
Do me
pull
a
my
favor.
burning
Do me a
motor.
favor. Do me a favor. Go push the gas.
There's no
Obviously,
gas pedal.
Something's happening. I want to see what I just saw.
There's no gas pedal. It's all the way to the floor.
Yeah, it's out, dude. It's not even in the thing.
Huh?
It's not even in the thing. It's not in it just bounced out. Fix it. I don't know how. I just saw it bounced I don't know where it goes to.
Continue.
I gotta watch because there's smoky shit coming out everywhere.